Hi, Maz here. Just going to do a quick video about pendulums. Okay, this is a pendulum that I've had for years and years. It ran in our family, and Mum taught me how to use it many years ago. Um, so pendulums. Okay, so I've got a really powerful mind, and I can actually make this pendulum move myself. Now, this is part of the lesson in teaching how to use the pendulum. Is first you must see how powerful your own mind is in the fact that you can actually influence the answers. All right, so so if you're buying a new pendulum, make sure that you either, if you're a female, wear it in your bra. If you're a guy, wear it in your pocket, but let it absorb your energy. If you have a full moon, put it out in the full moon and cleanse it. Don't just start using it straight away out of the shop. You can also use a ring, like a ring with some cotton, and that's another really good way. That's a personal pendulum then, because it's already got your energy in it. So our minds are really powerful. So what I'm going to do first is show you how powerful they are. It is. What I'm going to do, I'll give the instructions out loud, and I'll explain what I'm doing as I'm going. So the first thing you must do is you must hold your pendulum. Oh, it's going to be a little bit hard for me because I'm on a different angle. So I lift the pendulum up and I'm going to ask it to do something. You can watch my wrist here and you'll see that there's no movement here. So I'm not making the pendulum swing or move or do anything. So I'm just going to lift it gently and I'm going to ask it to go up and down. Pendulum, go up and down. Up and down. Go up and down. I'm giving the pendulum a command. Pendulum, go up and down. Up and down. Stop. Please stop. Pendulum, go side to side. Pendulum, go side to side. Pendulum, go side to side. Stop. Please stop. Please go around in circles. Pendulum, please go around in circles. Right? So I'm making it, thank you, I'm making it do that with my mind and my command. So when you begin to ask questions, you must ask yes or no questions, and make your questions clear. And take note of how that just felt for you when you did it. How it felt that you could actually command it, so that when you go to ask your psychic questions of your pendulum, that you do not command it, that you have a totally blank mind and let the pendulum do the work. Quite fascinating. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask the pendulum to show me a yes. It will do something. Pendulums can do 5 things. They'll go up and down, side to side. They'll go clockwise. They'll go anti-clockwise. If they go all around the place, it's probably because you haven't answered the question properly, or you haven't asked the question properly. So make sure you word it properly and you word it in the current moment, and you test your pendulum too. So, okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go show me a yes. Now I tend to always get the same, and I'll be curious to see if it does it now. Please, pendulum, please show me a yes. Please show me a yes. Please show me a yes. Now if you look at my right hand wrist, you can see that I'm not moving that pendulum because my wrist isn't moving. You can see the veins aren't moving. You know I'm not doing it. Pendulum, show me a yes. So the pendulum's going up and down. I'm going to rest it back on my hand. And then I'm going to say, pendulum, please show me a no. Pendulum, please lift it up so it doesn't swing and you don't influence. And pendulum, please show me a no. Pendulum, please show me a no. Can you show me bigger? Please show me a bigger no. So you can see that the pendulum's going around in a clockwise circle. All right, so that's the beginning. So I have my yes, which is up and down, and I have my no. It could be different for you. So I'm going to ask a question now, and I'm going to ask the question, I'm going to test the pendulum. You can ask anything you want, like I'm going to say, did I have cornflakes for breakfast this morning? Did I have cornflakes for breakfast this morning? No, I didn't, because I refused to eat anything but eggs for breakfast. So that's telling me no. Okay, silly question. Does Marion love chocolate? Does Marion love chocolate? Can I have that bigger, please? Does Marion love chocolate? Bigger? Marion love chocolate? There you go. Yes, that's my answer. So now when I go to ask my next question, which is my serious question, try not to answer more than three, and one at a time, and always drop your pendulum down onto your hand so that it rests in between questions. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'll be only too happy to help. Enjoy your pendulum. Pendulums are a great way to learn to hear spirit. As well as is automatic writing. So when you're using a pendulum, you'll have that feeling through your 15%. When I talk about the 15%, you'll learn what it feels like, and then before long, you won't need to do automatic writing. You won't need to use a pendulum. You'll just be able to communicate with spirit, and that's the whole idea. That it's in their best interest to help us, in our best interest to listen. All right, I'm Maz. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.